Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It is part 2 of our laundry room makeover. We have so many projects to do in here, but if you haven't seen part 1, make sure you go back and watch that so you'll know exactly where the laundry room started from, because it was bad. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started because we have a lot to do. Okay, I got this cabinet off of Facebook Marketplace. It's like solid oak, so I was really excited about that, but we have to find the studs in the wall and we have to attach it like through the back of the cabinet. It's also not super level, so we're gonna go ahead and level it and then attach it so it won't go anywhere. I'm attaching this piece of wood into studs and then I'm making sure that it's completely level because I want to have something that I can set the cabinets on when I'm installing them. That way I won't have to worry about making sure they're level and holding something heavy at the same time. I can just set them on top of this piece of wood and know that they're level and ready to go.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we.
Cabinets are in. These up here, I need to cut a strip of wood to put right here to fill this gap in between those two cabinets. And also I mounted them, I guess, upside down with the hardware up top because like underneath on the other side, like all that stuff had a bunch of holes that I didn't feel like filling. So I'm going to remove those knobs and then fill that hole, and then I'm gonna get new knobs for down there.
So are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby. Let's go.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt, even if I changed up.
Okay, here's where we're at. This is what I was thinking, to have like a basket and have a shelf up there. I don't think I like it. I think I'm gonna just enclose up there and then enclose there up to the ceiling, and then just do some molding at the top, because really I have plenty of storage with all of this and this. That was just going to be decorative, so I think that's the plan.
Even though I changed, really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I'll still be the same. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but some things stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but some things stayed the same.
Okay, I feel like this project is taking forever, but I took a day off for my birthday and then the stomach bug hit our house. But now everyone's healthy and we're back on track, and we have some projects to do today. Okay, we patched some holes underneath these cabinets, but before we can paint or do anything later, we need to retexture them. And this stuff is the best. It's like texture spray. It's knockdown. You spray it on, you leave it for 5 minutes, and then you wipe it to match the texture that you want. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so now it matches the texture of the wall, and when you go to paint it, it will blend right in. Okay, so we need to to put this board up above those cabinets up there, but we need to have something to nail it into. There's nothing behind it, so I'm gonna screw these into the wall on either side, on each end, so we can nail the trim board into those and it will stay in place and won't go anywhere. So there's a gap at the top between our trim and the ceiling, and I wanted to put some kind of molding, but I wanted to do something more simple. I didn't want to do, I don't know, a fancier molding. So this is called cove molding. I'm trying to see if you can see the profile. And I'm going to shoot that in with the nail gun at the top to close up that gap. Okay, I marked the studs so when I put the wall paneling on, I know where they are. I don't have to find them again, so I can screw right into those when we put the shelf up. Definitely made that way more complicated than it needed to be. This is a primed 1x8 that I just cut 2 pieces to the width of the wall that I'm going to put some hooks on, and I'm just shooting it together with a nail gun to hold it. And now I'm going to go in and drill some pilot holes and screw it in place. That way it'll be super sturdy when we mount it onto the wall paneling. Okay guys, this is where we're going to stop for today's video. Make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss next week's video, because we're finally going to wrap up this laundry room project. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!